Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what is the difference between slice and splice method. The slice and splice method in JavaScript may sound similar, but they have a distinct purposes and behave differently. Here is a comparison to clarify the differences. Purpose: slice used to extract a portion of an array string without modifying the original array or string. It creates a new array or string that contains the sliced portion. Splice used to add, remove, replace elements in array and it modifies the original array. Return value: slice returns a new array or string if used on strings containing the extracted elements. Splice returns an array if of the removed elements. If no elements were removed, it returns an empty array. Mutability: slice does not modify the original array or string. Splice modifies the original array by adding, removing, replacing elements. Parameters: slice has start and end. So the start index to start extracting and end is the index to stop extracting, not inclusive. If omitted, it extracts to the end of the array. And for splice, we splice start and delete count item 1 and item 2, etc. The index to start modifying. Delete count, the number of elements to remove, optional. Item 1 and item 2, the elements to add to the array at the start position, optional. Common use cases: slice to create a sub array from an array, to copy a part of an array or string. Splice to remove elements from an array, to insert new elements into an array, to replace elements in an array. Example: for slice extracting elements, here we have a array of strings apple, banana, cherry, date, elderberry, and when we use fruits dot slice method, start index is 1 and 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So it excluding the last index na. So console.log slice fruits output is banana, cherry, because the third index omits. That means it's not counting the third index before the one. And the console.log output apple, banana, cherry, date, elderberry unchanged. Now we'll go with splice, removing elements. Here we have apple, banana, cherry, date and elderberry na? And splice. So remove two elements starting from index 1. From 1 is banana, two elements 1, 2. These two will get removed. Output is banana and cherry. The original one is apple, date, elderberry modified. Splice inserting elements apple, banana, cherry. So insert orange at index 1 without removing anything. So at 1, 0 and orange we are going to add. The output is apple, orange, banana, cherry. Splice replacing elements. So when we give that the second element with 1 or any number, that will replace. So apple, banana, cherry. Banana replace banana with kiwi. So the output is apple, kiwi, cherry. Summary of differences: slice and splice. Purpose: extract a portion of an array string without modifying the original. Modify an array by adding, removing, replacing elements. Return value: a new array or string with the sliced elements, an array with removed elements. Mutability: does not modify the original array string, modifies the original array. Common use case: to get a sub array substring. To add, remove, replace elements in array. Parameters: slice start and end. Splice start, delete, count, item 1 and item 2, etc. In short, slice is a great for extracting data without affecting the original, while splice is used for modifying an array by removing, adding, replacing elements. So friends, this is all about difference between slice and splice method in JavaScript. Thank you.